Today we're going to pot up some pups that we took off just over a week ago. This is the first one that we're going to do, a Mammillaria, Snowcap. I would assume obviously white flowers on it. That's a pup there. You can see it's calloused over there now. I think that's the start of a little root coming out of there. So we're going to pot that up today. Grab a 2-inch pot, a 50ml pot, and fill it up with some of our potting mix, our cactus potting mix. Now, when we put this little guy in here, we only just want to place it like so. We don't want to bury it way down inside the potting mix. So I'll hold it with my thumb and I'll move some of the mix in, which is the mix I made the other day, the very fine sifted 3ml potting soil, after sieve first with 5ml and then down to 3ml, and then 60 to 40% of pumice stone. Now we'll put a little bit of 7ml gravel on the top there to finish the mix off. Then put a tag in so we know what the plant is, and then we'll water it, because we're starting into winter now, so this will probably be its only watering for a long period of time. So I'll only give it a little bit because it's just a week and a half since we took it off its mother plant. So I'll just put a little bit in using my 50ml syringe with a little bit of 4ml polyon in it, which is excellent for watering these and many other plants, because you can get right in underneath and not just pour big globs of water all over it. And that's the first one. That was how easy it is to do.